Yeah, see here, fabrication work, and here the drill rods, 4.5 15 feet drill rods is the friction welding drill rods. The friction welding is, this is the friction welding. See, please find here friction welding with the help of high temperature. The help of high temperature, two metals are the burning. See here, without manual drilling. 4.5 15 feet friction welded induction hardening drill rods. Induction hardening drill rods. The make of drill pipe is Jindal. Here see fabrication work. Yeah. So friction welding drill rods. Here the raw materials, all steel raw materials. This is the forklift. And see here PCDR 800 core drilling machines. These are the heavy core drilling machines under production. With the help of this machine we can drill up to 600 meter NQ, PQ, HQ drilling. So platform fabrication is completed here. Two rigs are there. Two platforms are completed. And here please find the diesel tank and hydraulic tank. Diesel tank and hydraulic tank. Both rigs, diesel tank and hydraulic tanks also completed here. The fabrication. This is the pillar. The mast fabrication also going on. These are the two core drilling rigs. See in our premises core drilling rigs and PDTHR 300 drilling machine drilling and 800. These all are ready to dispatch position. 300 and 800 are ready to dispatch. Shortly we are going to deliver these three machines. And here one more new technology we are doing, reverse RC rig, reverse circulation system. Please find the RC rig here. This is our RC rig. The 10-ton crawler capacity, 10-ton crawler capacity, cyclone system. This is our cyclone system, dust collector, hydraulic tank. Here we inserted 3-ton winch with boom. 3-ton winch with boom. With the help of this winch and boom, we can handle the rods to this rod changer. This is the rod changer for this RC rig. With the help of this boom, this heavy boom, insert the rods to this rod changer. See here, heavy rotary head gearbox. Heavy rotary head gearbox. Please find the rotary head gearbox here. Control panel. This is the control panel. Heavy rotary head gearbox and the bottom guide system. Jocks, 125 4 numbers leveling jocks, and here aluminium oil cooler, 70 GPM aluminium oil cooler with inbuilt motor. 70 GPM hydraulic oil cooler with inbuilt motor. And this is the heavy fabrication platform, RC rig, reverse circulation. This technology we are developing here with the new technology, reverse circulation rig. 10-ton crawler. 125 jacks, 10-ton crawler, and this is a heavy mast with boom and hydraulic system. For lifting of the rods, we are inserting 3-ton winch here and heavy pulleys. This rig is built very heavily. Up to the capacity of this RC rig is 250 meter. The 5-inch drilling, and also find the heavy compressor, the support compressor for this RC rig. With the help of this compressor, we can drill the reverse circulation. This is the capacity of the compressor this is a combo 1500 CFM and 400 PSI, the heavy combo compressor, LG. Please find the combination of the compressor and RC rig. The capacity of the RC rig is 250 meter, 5-inch drilling. This is the combination of the 1500-400 compressor and this is the RC rig. The capacity of the RC rig is 250 meter with 5-inch drilling.
Sorry viewers, we have a lot of network issues over here. Hence the live has been getting disrupted often. Kindly bear with us. We have shown you the RC machine, which is, here we go again. You can see the RC machine which is almost done.